Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, sport leather package, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, heated outside mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.